Hey everyone, so today we have the Ford Crown Victoria. We're just going to be doing a checkup on the engine, just taking a quick look, see if anything needs to be replaced, any leaks, check the fluids. So today we actually going to also be using our test long borescope right here. So we got a camera with a light on it for the hard to reach spots, or the spots that are just kind of dark, can't get to. So right here we have our coil packs right here, and we have 4 on each side. We want to just take a look, make sure the boots and everything are good. All right, so as you see, go ahead and be checking these. I see something, whatever that is, brown, like some kind of old nest or something, so we'll definitely have that removed. And 1 second on the camera, it looks like I might have it okay. Look like it was upside down for a second, so y'all work with me. There we go. Now we can see it a lot better. Neat thing about this, you can change that around. So this is our valve cover. So far that looks pretty good. No leaks or anything right there. Because like right here is a wet spot, but I can see that. No leaks, no leaks. So pretty much dry. Make sure no oil is down in any of those areas. Now, of course, if you need to go inside of the engine, so if you have if you pull the spark plugs out and you need to look down in there at the cylinder, you can do that with this test long borescope. It'll actually go right down in there. So check out my short where I took a look on the inside of the engine through the where you pour the oil in, and that way you can see how clean the engine is or whatnot. I just use it here and there for those particular reasons, and if I ever have to use it for something more in depth, like when I pull the plugs out, I'll take a look down in there just because it works out great for that. Other than that, man, the Crown Vic, it runs good. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and start it up. There she is running. Sounds good. No smoking or anything like that. Now, also, if you're like me, you really don't want to have to get on the ground and get up under the car, or if the car is pretty low, you can always, once again, use this to take a look. See, we got our Cadillac converters right there. You can see the bushings, or that bushing right there for the suspension. Work with me a little bit. The camera on the phone is trying to focus. But you can check the vehicle, see if you see any rust, anything unusual. Once again, any wet spots, you can check the rear differential. That way you don't have to get all the way under the car. Overall, man, let me know what you guys think the underneath of this vehicle looks like. Looks like it's pretty good. Alrighty, so I finished taking a look over the Ford Crown Victoria, checked the oil, checked all the fluids. So I have the power steering fluid is still a tad bit low, so I need to grab some of that. Everything else looks to be pretty good. The belt, hoses, so it's pretty good. On here we have 120,000 miles, which y'all know for the Crown Vic, that is low mileage. Keep in mind, this is the TS43. Now, if you are a mechanic and you need something a little more advanced, they do have some that are a little more advanced with the handle on them. I will leave a link in the description below, and you will receive 10% off if you use the code Street Cruising. So, take a look at it. It's not very expensive at all, and it is a helpful tool for your vehicle. Well, now you guys leave a comment about the Ford Crown Victoria. Let me know what you think. How you check out your vehicle as well, and if you use any kind of tools, and I will be catching you on the next video.